Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Well, today we're going to be talking about the possibilities of a Mavic 3 Lite or Mavic 3 SE and what to expect in regards to specifications, pricing, and of course when can we expect to see this brand new drone from DJI. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here and you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Mini 3 or the Inspire 3, guys, you already know this place to come for all of the latest updates and leaks. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're watching today's video and you're not subscribed yet, well, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, why don't we just go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. Well, we saw the release of the Mavic 3 a couple weeks ago, and without a doubt it's a great drone, but I think that for a lot of you guys it is really not the right drone, and that is because there are a lot of factors packed into that, and one of them is that high price tag that it carries, starting at $2,200 US. That without a doubt is very high. Now I think that the price difference between the Air 2S and the Mavic 3 is now very big, and I definitely think that there is a need to see something in between these two drones, something in the middle, something that sweet spot, maybe right around $1,600, $1,500 USD. I think that will be a great sweet spot for a new drone from DJI, and I am thinking about a Mavic 3 Lite or Mavic 3 SE, and I know that a lot of you guys have also been thinking about it and really want DJI making something like this. And well, I can definitely see this happening. Maybe not next month, but probably January, February, or maybe I think more likely will be in around 6 month time, probably around April, we could be seeing a Mavic 3 Lite or Mavic 3 SE. Now, what can we expect in regards to the specifications? I can definitely expect to see maybe the same airframe and chassis of the Mavic 3, but with a different camera and with some less powerful features. Starting probably we might not have OcuSync 3 Plus, but just OcuSync 3.0, which is the same thing that we have with the Air 2S, which instead of giving us 12 kilometers of range, which is what we have on the Air 2S, rather than 15 kilometers on what we have on the Mavic 3. So maybe we get some less powerful range. And let's be honest, the OcuSync 3 on the Air 2S is more than enough, and of course a less powerful camera. Maybe DJI decides to chop off that telephoto, which in my opinion it's good, but it's really not that useful for professional filmmaking. That is because you're going to be getting a lot of grain in your footage, and that's really not nice. So we can probably cut off that telephoto and just leave that micro four thirds sensor, and hopefully with this Mavic 3 Lite DJI can improve on the build quality, because let's be honest guys, the build quality on the Mavic 3 is good, but it's not as good as what we have with the Mavic 2 Pro. It doesn't feel as rugged, as strong, and I definitely think DJI could improve, especially with the gimbal. I really want to see that stainless steel gimbal being brought back onto the Mavic 3 Lite, and definitely a new controller. I think a new controller is necessary, but as I already mentioned with the Mavic 3 Lite, I am really not expecting a brand new controller. If they did not give us a brand new controller for the Mavic 3, I am not expecting a brand new controller with the Mavic 3 Lite. So we can expect probably this same controller right here. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What other things would you like to see with this new Mavic 3 Lite or Mavic 3 SE? Because I can definitely tell you right now, if this is to come out, we can expect to see like a tamed down version of the Mavic 3, and I definitely think it will have great success for DJI, because the price tag of the Mavic 3 is really scaring a lot of people, and they're thinking about the Auto Libo 3, and I think that a Mavic 3 Lite might just be what the people want. Let's talk pricing. Where can we expect to see this drone? I think we might see it somewhere in the pricing where the old Mavic 2 was priced at, which was $1,350 for the to zoom and $1,600 for the Mavic 2 Pro. So hopefully somewhere around that price range, I think will be a really sweet spot and will be in a really nice place and will make a great spot between there, and I think it will definitely fill the gap in between the Air 2S and the Mavic 3. So hopefully guys, DJI delivers a Mavic 3 Lite. Let us know in the comment section down below. Are you excited to see this drone? What do you want to see? And hopefully DJI decides to release this bad boy soon, because I think that a lot of people have held off on buying the Mavic 3. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and as you already know that as soon as we have any leaks, rumors, or anything regarding the Mavic 3 Lite or Mavic 3 ST, you're gonna be having it here first. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.